Hey guys, thanks for clicking this video, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to file your LLC in 2026 in New Jersey, my home state. Love it. So okay, let's get right into it. Basically today what I'm going to be doing is showing you on my screen exactly what to click when you're filing your LLCs. It's going to be super straightforward, super easy, and that's it. We're going to be done this process in like 10 minutes. So what I would want you to do is click the link in the description below. Basically, it's going to pull up a screen and you can kind of pull my tab to the side and have another tab open, or maybe you have your laptop and phone open at the same time. That way you're seeing exactly what I'm clicking. There's going to be no guesswork. I'm going to make it really, really easy for you guys, I promise, and try to save you as much money as possible. There's a few things that are optional and, add-ons that would benefit or not benefit you. I'm going to tell you exactly which ones I think are best for you and why or why not. Again, so click the link in the description below and let's get right into it. Okay, so this is taking you to the Tabler Brands website. I love using Tabler Brands for filing an LLC because, like I said, it's very straightforward. It's not a lot of guesswork. I'm not real tech savvy. I don't enjoy figuring these things out on the computer. And this just makes it really easy even for absolute beginners. Okay, so you're going to start by clicking New Jersey. And type in the name of your business to make sure that it's, not already taken in your state. Okay. And for me, I do eyelash extensions. This is picking the industry. So if you're not too sure what your industry would be, just think of like what the general group that it's in. I mean, you can probably think of a couple things it would fall into, but just like the biggest topic. So mine is eyelash extensions. They have that option. And the next 2 or 3 questions are survey questions. So I'm going to say I'm already in business. I do have experience with business. And maybe you don't know if you want to have partners yet. That's cool. Just click don't know. Okay, you found Tabler Brands through YouTube. And this is just kind of a promotion. We can skip it. Okay, now you're going to type in your information. And you guys, typing in your information here is not a commitment to anything at all. Like literally at all. You don't have to finish the process. You don't have to do anything. They're just kind of getting you in there to make it easier if you want to complete the process. Okay. Okay, you guys, we are on section 2 of 3. You have just completed section 1. If you didn't realize you were working, congratulations, you were. We're already on 2 of 3. We're almost done. So section 2 is starting now. Okay, so what is an EIN number and why do you need it? Your EIN number is basically like the social security number of your business, and you're going to need it when you file your taxes. It's also a great way, another way to keep your business and your personal life separate. It's also better when you file your taxes because you're able to write more things off. And again, it just keeps everything separated so that, if someone tries to ever come for your business, you don't have to worry about your personal stuff. That is still safe. So an EIN number is really important to have. And I definitely recommend, if you're serious about your business, you want to start making real money and, getting really successful, this is the way to start by having an EIN. So you have 2 options here. Would you like Tabler Brands to do it for you, or do you want to do it yourself? Now, if you have Tabler Brands do it for you, it's $99. Basically me clicking this button, that's it, and I'm done. You can see that's the one that I would choose. If you want to save $99, you could do that as well. You would click the second option, and I'll show you how to do that. So you're going to type IRS. You're going to go to the IRS website. I'm just typing IRS EIN, and here we are. You're going to click apply for an EIN, begin application. All right, and right from the beginning, it could get a little confusing if it's just your business, you only, it's the first one. I think it's this option. And yeah, you can kind of read through everything here. To me, I'm already overwhelmed. I've done this video before. I've seen this site and I'm still overwhelmed every time I see it. So I'll rather just avoid the drama. I'm going to have Taylor Brands do it for me for $99. And every single year you have to renew your LLC. So if you forget to renew it, someone could take your name. Now it's like up for grabs. And then, yeah, you lose your business name. That's horrible. So you will get email notifications like from the government telling you, hey, it's time to renew. So it's not going to like, jump up and scare you as a surprise that you've lost your LLC. You will have notifications about it. But if you are still worried that you might forget about it, Taylor Brands can renew it for you. It is an extra, I think, $199 a year, $199 a year for them to do that. It is a little pricey, but if you're busy and, it might slip your mind, that's okay. They can do that for you. I'm going to try to save some money. I'm going to click I will handle the compliance. And a branding toolkit, I'm just going to click no. Okay, if you want to get your LLC in just one day from now, it is $99, and that way you can get your business going like ASAP. You're ready to go. That's great. Now, if you're not really pressed for time and you want to save that money, you can get it in 2 weeks from now. Okay, and an operating agreement is really, really great to have, almost crucial to have if you have partners. So basically it's going to break down the ownership and responsibilities of everyone that's involved. So down the line, if you and your partner have some misunderstandings or disagreements or whatever, maybe somebody just wants to sell their part of the business, you have the operating agreement that now lays out everything very clear for you guys. There's not going to be any legal issues because you have that operating agreement. So if you want to get it from Taylor Brands, click Get My Operating Agreement. And I'm going to click this for now, and I'm going to show you at the end, if you changed your mind, you can always unselect that. So there's really no commitment right now. Okay, the formation kit is more or less a gigantic binder with every single piece of paperwork that you're going to need to be organized and successful. What I mean is it has like a planner, it has stuff for finance, for taxes, every sort of like organization thing that you could possibly want. It's going to be in there. Most of the stuff you're probably going to accumulate over time anyway. So if you want to start off being very organized and you're serious about your business, I would recommend it. I actually really like this a lot. But if you don't think this is necessary yet, maybe you have a system that's working for you. I have a few things. I have a calendar and a planner that work for me right now. So I'm going to click no. But I do actually like it a lot. Okay, this is new with Taylor Brands. So they're offering to open a free bank account for you. This is so cool. So let's say, having a bank account, your personal and business separate, are so important. A few reasons for this. One is like if you have your business bank account, you can see exactly what's coming in, what's going out. And it also makes it really easy when you file your taxes. You know that everything on your business bank account is strictly for work, and you can do a ton of write-offs in that way, make a lot of money back. It's also really important to have a separate bank account than your personal to protect yourself. So if somebody tries to sue you for any reason, or maybe your business, you're having a low season or anything like that, you are protected. Your personal stuff is protected and is separate. So it's really good to have. And whether you do it through Taylor Brands or your own bank, I definitely recommend to have that separate. Okay. Yes, let's get notified about our LLC status. Okay, you guys, and we are on section 3 of 3. We are almost done. There's like 2 more things to show you, and we're done. So first thing I want you to do is click this here. It says see other options. Now, today we are selecting the light plan. It's free. There's nothing extra. There's no catch. We're just getting our LLC. But if you want to get some other stuff, we have some other options here. The elite plan is honestly very cool. Even though it's $250 a year, a little pricey to start. However, you're getting a website and a domain. So if you guys don't have a website yet, it can cost you way more to get a professional one made. And if you don't know how to make a website, I feel like most people don't know how to make like a super professional website. Why would you, right? So this is a really great option to have. But I'm going to click the light plan just to save some money. And this is our breakdown for today. So the New Jersey state filing fee for an LLC is $128.50. Now that is New Jersey's filing fee. No matter where or how you file your LLC, it will always be that amount. And every single year it does change a little. So if you've seen LLC videos from previous years, it's probably different than 2026. This is the current up-to-date price. Okay, our operating agreement is $99. Let's just say I'm like, you know what? I don't want to do it anymore. I want to save money. Let's just unselect it. This is a trial for invoicing and bookkeeping. Every month after the first month, you will get charged $30. So select or deselect this one. We're getting that free business bank account. I do want that. Taylor Brands will do my EIN number for me. I want that. So the breakdown for today is you're paying only for your LLC is $128.50. In about a week or so, you will then be charged for your EIN number, which is $99. So it comes through as 2 separate charges. Just keep that in mind. And once we go to pay, it's going to ask you an address you want to use. Now, I'm a mobile business, so I've always used my home address. I don't get spam or junk mail. It's just like for them to have on file. And you can also use your storefront address if you happen to have that. If you're not comfortable using one of those, you can look up how to get a virtual address. But honestly, Taylor Brands is a very trusted and safe website. They're not like selling information to third parties to spam you with mail or anything like that. It's just if they need to contact you about your LLC. Okay, you guys, that's literally it. You have filed your LLC and possibly your EIN number if you chose to do that as well. I hope this was really fast and easy for you guys, but if you do have questions, leave them in the comments below. I want the process of starting a business to be so easy for you guys. If you have any other questions you might maybe like to see a video on, please just comment that as well. And yeah, you should be worried about making money in your business, not the paperwork and the online things like this. So wish you the best of luck, and I'll see you guys next time.